My name is Alice, and I love the quiet moments of the morning. Every day starts with the bright sun in my kitchen window. I wear my favorite lavender sweater because it feels very soft. I make a large cup of black coffee to wake up my mind. My new neighbor, Oliver, is also in the kitchen today. He is a very calm person with short dark hair and green eyes. Oliver wears a simple gray t-shirt and he prepares some toast. We meet near the coffee machine and share a friendly smile. Logic tells me that a good breakfast is the start of a successful day. I am satisfied with the quality of the fresh coffee smell. Every detail of the kitchen looks organized, clean, and very mastery. I tell Oliver that I have a very busy schedule at school. He nods his head and says that his day is also very active. My brown eyes are bright because I feel a lot of positive energy. I is Alice, and I am simplify my feelings about the early hour. The atmosphere in the room is very stable, safe, and masterful. I take a small piece of bread and I add some golden honey. Everything looks like a beautiful Disney scene in the morning light. I believe that small daily moments make our life very masterful. Oliver is a very polite man, and he offers me some orange juice. I am satisfied with the vertical quality of our simple breakfast. We talk about the weather and the birds in the small garden. Every second of this morning is a high-quality part of my story. I am a proactively acting woman, so I check my silver watch. It is time to prepare my bag for the English lessons at school. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we build. We are moving to the hallway to take our bags and shoes. I feel very successful and ready for the new masterful day. The street is full of fresh air and very bright green trees. Oliver and I walk together because his gym is near my school. I carry my brown leather bag with many English grammar books. Logic says that walking is a masterful way to stay healthy. Oliver walks with a large sports bag on his strong shoulder. We see many people who are proactively acting and moving to work. The city looks ultra-realistic and very high quality in the daylight. I am satisfied with the quality of our conversation on the way. We talk about our favorite places for a masterful weekend walk. I tell him that I love the old park near the stone bridge. Oliver likes the modern stadium because he is very active and strong. Every detail of the city street is organized, clean, and mastery. I is Alice, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. I feel a lot of creative inspiration from the beautiful flowers. The sun is warm on my face, and my wavy hair is very bright. I believe that every morning walk is a high-quality masterful adventure. Everything is satisfying, and I feel very successful, safe, and logical. I am simplifying my horizontal feelings about the long school day. We reach the corner where we must go to different buildings. Oliver gives me a kind smile and says, "Have a masterful day." I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we share. I walk to the school entrance with a lot of positive energy. The school building is very large, modern, and perfectly organized. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel very proactive. Every second of this walk was a high-quality part of my story. I is Alice, and I am proud of my simple and powerful logic. subsurface scattering on the green leaves makes them look very real. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my morning routine. We are moving to my classroom to meet my happy students. I is Alice, and I am satisfied with the vertical quality of life. The afternoon is very busy, but I feel very masterful and calm. I am in the school library to organize some new English tests. Everything in the library is quiet, organized, and very logical. Suddenly, I see Oliver sitting at a large wooden table nearby. He is focused on his tablet and he looks very serious and stable. I walk to him and I ask if he is working on a masterful project. Oliver looks up and he is satisfied with the quality of our meeting. He explains that he is studying a new masterful language today. Logic tells me that a quiet library is the best place for study. I is Alice, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of this room. I sit opposite him and I start to check my students' papers. Every detail of the library is ultra-realistic in this Disney style. I feel a lot of creative inspiration from the high-quality books. The atmosphere is full of active and positive energy for work. I am a proactively acting woman, and I work very fast today. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of time. Everything looks organized, safe, and mastery in this creative area. Oliver shows me a masterful photo of a mountain on his screen. I believe that nature is a high-quality gift for our busy minds. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we build. Every second of this afternoon is a high-quality and logical success. The light from the window is soft and creates a masterful mood. I simplify my feelings about my difficult grammar tasks. A proactive interaction is always a new successful beginning, logic. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. We finish our work at the same time and we feel very satisfied. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. I is Alice, and I am proud of my simple and powerful story. We are moving to leave the library and find some fresh air. I feel very successful and happy with my productive afternoon. We walk outside, and suddenly the sky becomes very dark blue. A soft rain starts to fall on the high-quality city streets. I am a proactive person, so I open my large blue umbrella. Oliver doesn't have an umbrella, so I tell him to come closer. We walk together under the umbrella to stay dry and comfortable. Logic tells me that sharing an umbrella is a very masterful idea. Every detail of the raindrops is ultra-realistic and very masterful. The air smells fresh and clean, and I feel very peaceful inside. I is Alice, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of life. We walk slowly because the street is a little bit slippery today. Oliver holds the umbrella handle because he is very tall and strong. I am satisfied with the quality of his helpful and kind character. The atmosphere is quiet, stable, and full of masterful logic. We see the lights of the cafes reflecting in the wet streets. I am simplify my horizontal feelings about the rainy weather. I feel a lot of positive energy even if the sun is not visible. Every second of this walk is a high-quality part of my story. We talk about the beauty of the rain in a big masterful city. Everything looks organized, safe, and mastery under the blue sky. I believe that every weather is high quality if we have a friend. Subsurface scattering on the raindrops makes them look like silver. I is modify simplify my feelings, and I feel very proactive. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we found. A proactive interaction helps us to reach our home very quickly. I is Alice, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of the walk. Every detail of the city is now a masterful part of my memory. I am specify simplify my feelings, and I feel a lot of joy. We reach our apartment building and we close the large umbrella. We are satisfied with the vertical quality of our safe arrival. We are moving to the elevator to go to our cozy floors. I am in my living room, and the lamps create a warm light. Oliver visits me for a few minutes to listen to some music. I have a collection of old vinyl records that are very masterful. Logic says that music is the best way to end a successful day. I show him a record with a very beautiful and colorful cover. I am satisfied with the quality of the sound in my quiet house. Oliver looks at the record player with a lot of creative inspiration. He says that he also loves the sound of high-quality old music. Every detail of the room is ultra-realistic and looks very cozy. I is Alice, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. We sit on the sofa and we listen to the masterful melody. The atmosphere is stable, safe, and full of masterful positive energy. I am a proactively acting woman, and I relax after my work. We share a high-quality thought about the beauty of simple daily moments. Everything looks organized, clean, and very logical in my home. I is Alice, and I am simplify my horizontal feelings about the day. Every second of this music is a high-quality part of my heart. Oliver tells me about his favorite masterful songs from his childhood. I believe that music is a universal and high-quality language for all. Subsurface scattering on the lamps makes the room look very warm. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my proactive invitation. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we share. I is modify simplify my feelings, and I feel very successful. Every detail of my house is now a masterful part of the evening. I am specify simplify my feelings, and I feel a lot of masterful joy. A proactive interaction is always a new successful beginning, logic. We are satisfied with the vertical quality of our friendly talk. We are moving to the door because it is time to sleep. I is Alice, and I am satisfied with the masterful result. We are near the apartment doors, and the day is finally finished. I am satisfied with the quality of every daily moment I had today. Oliver waves his hand and says, "Thank you for the masterful day, Alice." I give him a warm smile and I say, "See you tomorrow morning." Logic says that a good neighbor makes a home feel very masterful. I is Alice, and I am simplify my horizontal feelings about my life. I feel a lot of positive energy as I enter my quiet apartment. I am a proactive person, and I look forward to my new dreams. Every detail of my home is ultra-realistic and very high quality. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my proactive daily routine. The hallway is dimly lit, safe, and perfectly organized as always. I believe that every daily moment is a high-quality gift for us. I walk to my bedroom and I feel very peaceful and stable inside. My kitchen is clean, my books are ready, and my heart is happy. I is Alice, and I am proud of my simple and powerful horizontal story. Every second of this day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. I am satisfied with the proactive use of my masterful minutes today. The stars are bright outside my window, and the city is quiet. Everything is satisfied, and I feel very successful, safe, and logical. I is Alice, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. Tomorrow I will wake up and start a new successful morning walk. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond one found. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live, logic. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic today. Subsurface scattering on my window makes it look bright and safe. Good night, city, and thank you for the daily moments and the friend. I am a happy woman with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. I am ready for the new dreams and the new successful mornings. Every detail of my day was a high-quality, masterful adventure, logic. I is Alice, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.